In this video, we're diving into Pi Network, one of the most exciting projects in the crypto space, and exploring how much 2,000 PI tokens could be worth by 2026. But before we continue with the video, if you're looking for a secure, low-fee crypto exchange, check out ZOOMEX, built by a core team from Bybit for top security and reliability. It offers a Bybit-like experience, but is available worldwide with no KYC. Sign up with my link below and claim a free 500 USDT airdrop position on your favorite altcoin. At the time of recording, the market price and market cap of Pi stands at approximately $1.80 and around $12.8 billion, respectively. This current market valuation stands as an excellent entry point for anyone to buy into Pi, as it would only cost you just about $3,600 to buy 2,000 Pi. Initially, it started trading at about $1.48 and has since then experienced impressive fluctuations leading to an all-time high, marked at about $2.98 on the 26th of February, as shown on CoinMarketCap. If anyone had bought up to 2,000 tokens when it listed, he would have bagged above $5,900 at the time it achieved its all-time high valuation. Now let's see what Pi is all about. Pi Network is a digital currency project that is trying to bring digital currency closer to everyone all over the world. The Pi world is a small world in itself. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which entail energy-intensive mining processes, PA allows users to mine coins using a mobile application. In so doing, it is making cryptocurrency mining accessible to everyone who has a smartphone without draining the battery, and they're all accessed via a tool called the Pi browser. The browser has an inbuilt wallet to hold your Pi, so it's convenient to use. For example, in 2024, they held an event called Pi Fest, wherein over 27,000 merchants and 28,000 testing stores across 160 countries used PI to swap goods and services. That is how it has been growing and being used in the real world. Pi Network runs on a smart system known as the Stellar Consensus Protocol, or SCP, that keeps things running without consuming energy like Bitcoin. Instead of Bitcoin's proof of work, where miners waste electricity solving hard math problems, SCP uses a network of trusted nodes, basically friendly checkpoints that interact to agree on which transactions are valid. All of this combines to enable Pi to be speedy, powerful, and gentle on the planet, so that it can run on your phone without depleting the battery. The cool thing is the way that Pi engages ordinary people, not just computer wizards alone. Users are either pioneers, signing in every day to mine Pi by simply existing, or contributors, who verify friends that they know and trust in order to build a network of integrity within the system. It's a people-powered solution that replaces machinery with community collaboration. Ambassadors promote adding new members to the group, with nodes run by users with a bit more technical savvy, handling the transaction processing and upkeep of the blockchain in the background. Daily, SCP calculates how much new Pi is to be distributed to the world according to their contributions, as if a collective reward for keeping the system robust. Unlike Stellar, where SCP began with large institutions dominating the operations, Pi provides an open window for any user with a laptop or smartphone to contribute. The more that people become connected and trust one another, the harder it becomes for impersonators to gain entry. So the network is open yet locked down. Moving on, before Pi Network switched to an open network on February 20th, 2025, Pi coins were like a special currency that only worked inside its own little world. People could use them to buy things or pay for services, but only through Pi's own marketplaces or apps made by developers in the community. Think of it like a marketplace where members can exchange with one another. Somebody would sell a t-shirt on a Pi online store application, or a digital goods like a game subscription, and people would pay with Pi coins they had mined from their phones. Transfers were easy as well. Users can send Pi among themselves without having to go through third parties. These were uses available via the Pi browser, ranging from e-shopping to business software for small businesses, illustrating how convenient Pi was already, because it went large. With the open mainnet now released, Pi has outgrown that closed-off universe by listing on exchanges such as OKX, Mexi, and BitGet, allows anyone to buy and sell it, and thus has become very popular in the wider crypto universe from an inside-only token. In terms of partnerships, Pi Network has been working to bridge gaps to advance its development and introduce its cryptocurrency into daily life, particularly since it opened its open network. To achieve this, Pi is partnering with several industry heavyweights who can stimulate its ecosystem. Take, for example, the crypto exchanges like OKX, Mexi, and BitGet, where Pi tokens are already listed. Those partnerships have opened the door for anyone to come and trade Pi and take its presence much further than its initial community. Pi partnering with large retail chain stores or online sites where people can utilize Pi for everyday shopping, ranging from clothes to electronics, could further assist in enhancing its development in the cryptocurrency market. In addition to that, possible partnerships with fintech firms that would integrate Pi into payment applications or digital wallets will also make it equally easy to use like a credit card or cash, hence contributing to its use cases, which would be a huge step for Pi in the long run. And on top of that, Pi's got its eyes on some heavy hitters to fuel its expansion. Picture collaborations with giant tech firms such as cloud computing giants Amazon or Google, who may host nodes or integrate Pi into their offerings, giving it a tech backbone that's hard to beat. In the meantime, Pi's have already had community-led successes such as PedoGo, a marketplace and travel app where customers book a trip or shop with Pi, now teaming up with Paylot, a peer-to-peer logistics app, to unite travel and delivery in a single seamless experience, entirely through the use of Pi to pay. Pi also might collaborate with local businesses everywhere, like the tens of thousands of merchants that tested PI payments at PiFest 2024, or even name-brand companies wanting to leverage the enthusiastic PI community. Such measures would make Pi one of the best cryptocurrency for buying things, services, and other uses, thus making its potential for growth in the world of crypto by the time we reach 2026 simply explosive. Also, the known effect of the incoming bull run is another thing that cannot be overlooked as a profound factor that could boost the market price of Pi anytime it kickstarts this year, 2025. As you already know about how major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, along with other altcoins, spiked up in their respective values during the hat of the 2021 bull run, a 5x growth for Pi during the incoming 2025 bull run should not be a surprise for anyone. If Pi indeed manifests such a scenario, it would be priced at about $9 and above. At this price, your 2,000 Pi tokens would be worth up to $18,000, which is a substantial increase from the little amount you would have to invest if you buy into Pi at its current price rate, and I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss this chance. However, remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your research before investing your money in any coin.